From an evolutionary standpoint, the fact that humans love music makes absolutely no sense. And yet, your heart rate spikes and your brain floods with dopamine, all from just vibrations in the air. If an alien were to look at our species, they would see a biological organism sitting perfectly still, doing nothing to find food or avoid a predator. Scientifically speaking, that is a bizarre way to spend your afternoon. We treat music like a fundamental part of the human soul, but if you look at our hardwiring, there is no music gene. Natural selection never sat down and decided that being able to appreciate a cello solo was going to help you survive a famine. So why does a specific sequence of sounds have the power to make us feel like our chest is tightening? The answer lies in our obsession with the future. For millions of years, our survival depended on our brain's ability to function as a high-speed prediction engine. In the wild, sound was the ultimate data point. You had to be an expert at guessing what came next. A rhythmic rustle in the grass meant a predator was stalking you. A specific pitch in a bird's call meant the forest was safe. If you could correctly predict the story the sounds were telling, you lived. If you couldn't, you were removed from the gene pool. This created a nervous system that is literally addicted to resolution. Every time you correctly predict a pattern in your environment, your brain gives you a small chemical high five. It's a reward system designed to keep you alert and engaged with the world around you. Music is essentially a massive, sophisticated hack of that survival mechanism. A melody is just a series of promises. It creates a pattern, breaks it, and then, at the last second, resolves it. When that chorus finally hits, your brain thinks it has solved a complex environmental puzzle. It releases a feel-good hit of dopamine, rewarding you for solving the pattern, even though the only thing you've actually done is sit on a bus with your headphones on. But here is where the glitch gets even more interesting. Before we had complex words for I am grieving or I am terrified, we had pitch. Some researchers refer to this as musalanguage. The idea is that music isn't a byproduct of human culture, it's the foundation. It is the source code of how we spoke before we even had a vocabulary. This explains a phenomenon that should be a total biological mistake. Why we listen to sad music when we're already down. Normally, an organism should move away from things that cause distress. But when you hear a melancholy song, your brain releases a hormone called prolactin. Usually this is the body's way of curbing grief. It's a chemical hug sent to help you cope with a real-life tragedy. But because the tragedy is just a song, you get soothing comfort. We've spent thousands of years refining this accident. We've built massive stone cathedrals and engineered complex instruments just to trigger that dopamine hit, a reward that was originally meant to help us hear predators in the bushes. If you're fascinated by how our bodies respond to music, you need to see how our own brain gaslights us.